What are Google and the Federal Aviation Administration trying to hide? There is an interesting anomaly in Google Maps. This occurrence is found all over the United States. Based on the frequency of this anomaly's occurrence, along with the systematically close proximity to addresses registered in FAA's database, it is highly unlikely this is a coincidence. You see, if you want to legally fly in the USA, you must register your aircraft with the FAA. With this registration, you will be assigned an N number, which identifies you at airports, when you take off and land, and when you are flying from place to place. It bears similarity to a license plate for an automobile. Except unlike automobiles, the United States federal government maintains a detailed database of all registered aircraft, and this database is matter of public record, viewable by anyone. These records contain names and addresses. Anyone can easily identify what aircraft is in the sky, and obtain the N number. There are many apps that provide this service. You can take that number and search FAA's database. This will provide you with the registration and other information about the aircraft in question. The following footage reveals the anomaly, which can be found on Google Street View within one block of the address in FAA's Registry of Civilian Aircrafts. We have tested 100 homes in New Jersey, 100 in Pennsylvania, 100 in Texas, 100 in New York. And we continue working on other states. 98 homes out of 100 tested anomalously positive in New Jersey, 96 in Pennsylvania, 94 in Texas, and 99 in New York. That is 387 out of 400 homes total, or 96.75%. The only limiting filter we applied in selecting a group to test, was the condition that the address contain a residential property, not a commercial building, or P.O. box. Based on data reviewed, residential homes account for roughly 75% of all addresses in FAA's database. Rather spooky, and also rather obvious this is not some strange coincidence. So what exactly is this mysterious anomaly, you ask? A censored house? To be clear, the address that is registered in FAA database, is not the address that is censored. The address is always a location within a 1 to 2 block radius of the property registered with FAA. Anyone who knows Google Maps, knows that this sort of anomaly is a rarity in its own right, but to be associated directly with registered addresses on FAA's database, leads us to believe there must be something more at play here. What exactly that is, we do not know. As simple as it may seem. Neither Google nor the FAA's public relations teams have replied to our inquiries regarding this matter. We will keep you posted on any developments. For now, we will continue to provide the public with what we have found, through our evidentiary video footage. Thanks for watching. And keep watching the skies. Oh, and watch your neighbors too, that is, if your home is listed in the FAA database. We will now provide you with 10 more examples in the state of New Jersey. These addresses are a matter of public record, however, to respect privacy of homeowners, we have censored numbers when possible. Stay tuned for more videos that provide further corroboration to our story.